Okay, ma'am. So Pushpa and 83 movies are
हाँ
out.
जी.
So have you saw?
Yes, I have seen. मैंने उसका वो देखा है डांस द and also I think वो item song is that part ना अंटवा that's a very trippy number मुझे नहीं पता मुझे so I like that and I Rashmika Mandana is amazing and I think she's been talked about really well so yeah हाँ जी that's what मैं वही बोल रही हूँ वो trippy वो word बहुत trippy है मुझे नहीं पता अंटवा का मतलब क्या होता है but it's been on my mouth I don't know I've been singing it forever now
And what about Allu
Guys,
Arjun?
done, guys,
Allu
done,
Arjun
guys,
is
done, guys,
superb.
done, guys, done, guys, done. अभी वाले भी
have
सुनो,
की चाय तो पी लो
please, चाय के-
हाँ जी थैंक यू
please, चाय के भी सुनो, please. हो गया.
the chai is really good
ये भी कोविड बढ़ रहा है तो क्या
Ma'am, what do you want to say to your fans?
इनका क्वेश्चन है मैम इधर
so if I say mask लगा लो सबसे पहले मेरे ऊपर ही आके पड़ेगा मैंने तो नहीं लगा रखा nobody understands so I just want
Guys, done.
to please take care of yourselves because this time is very crucial and I think we can just take care of
done,
ourselves
guys, done.
first thank you
Okay, visuals से thank you, ma'am.
क्या कहना चाहेंगे आज आप you're spotting you on a temporary so interesting what do you have to say
So I'm liking the whole vibe around the song Phukle and obviously it's a trippy number. मैं मजाक नहीं कर रही हूँ just because मैंने ये song किया है इसलिए मैं इसकी तारीफ कर रही हूँ वो है ही नहीं जब first time मैंने ये song सुना था मैं इतना हंसी थी पहले तो because इसके lyrics थोड़ा सा you know because funny लगे but once I realized that it's a full on item number and you know I'm doing this so I and you know that I just did the hook step for you so it is that trippy and I think once ये song जब out होगा तो I think everybody will be should be and will be doing the hook step and I just wish it happens you know Gana is releasing on 10th and after Do Ghoot and it's the same team Saregama team so because they love me so much and I love them so much is my again immediately after Phukle it's now immediately after Do Ghoot it is Phukle time and I don't know मेरी शुरुआत मतलब होड़ पिला then दो घूंट and then फूकले I don't know next song का मेरा title क्या होगा but it's kind of funny but I think 10th let's just
Okay, so talking
हाँ जी.
about the BTS movement, once you have uploaded that movement in your Instagram, so people have started, we are waiting for it, we are waiting for it, people are very excited. So what do you want to say about it?
मैंने अपनी जान दी है इस सॉन्ग के लिए बिकॉज यू नो इतना ईजी नहीं है इन अ म्यूजिक
Yeah.
वीडियो मार्केट एंड व्हेन वी हैव icons like a Sunny Leone and a Nora Fatehi killing it with dances I realized that I'm just a very small fish in this तो मेरे पास कोई ऑप्शन नहीं था but just when this song came just to nail it with my hard work I'm not a good dancer I'm not a great dancer but all I could do for this song was just put all my effort into this and I did it मतलब I don't know मैंने रिहर्सल्स कितने घंटे किए मुझे नहीं पता था मेरी बैक I couldn't feel my back I couldn't feel my thighs और मुझे उस दिन समझ आया कि what it takes for dancers to dance in a song so I realized I mean I have given it my all and I really hope this I'm rooting for this song I don't know about the audience but मैं personally I am rooting for this one and I hope it is received well and yes you're right the BTS was very well received all my friends complimented
Okay, so talking about the look, you have came out with some amazing look. So what do you want to say about the look?
The look was again created by Saregama only, and their whole thing was to look like those chamma chamma feel and Bidi Jalaile feel that that's been done in the past. So it was a very same feel, and I could achieve it, and I don't know, I had joined a gym and worked 3 hours cycling. I just wanted to look my best, and yeah, man, and I think I look pretty good.
Okay, so talking about the last song, Do Good, you
Yeah.
went inside that OTT and Big Boss OTT. Will you see? Can we see the Big Boss you promoting this song in Big Boss house?
I just did. I think yeah, Big Boss, and I'm very thankful to the team of Big Boss. तो मेरा दो घूट मैंने OTT पे promote किया. Then I came with Rahul Vaidya to promote Garbe Ki Raat. This is the third song I'm promoting, Phukle, and I think I'm immensely happy for this.
Okay, so talking about OTT, you
Yeah.
supported Pratik. You told Pratik you are doing really well, and he is also right now inside that house. So, are you supporting Pratik or you are supporting someone else?
I am supporting everybody because उनके लिए तो वो OTT से जर्नी शुरू हो गई है. So it's like for Shamita, Nishant, Pratik, everybody. It's like a boarding school यार. मतलब वो कब
Yeah.
से लगे पड़े हैं. So I think one of them should win. And it's really a hard
Okay, guys, done.
Okay, so ma'am, do you believe
मेरे लिए
ma'am, do you believe the senior coming inside the house have bring TRP down of Big Boss?
No, nothing. नहीं.
How am I supposed to answer that?
Please.
Location बड़ौदा, we went to वडोदरा, बड़ौदा, yeah, we went there. तो वहाँ पर एक पूरा एक सेटअप हुकले जैसे एक पूरी क्या बोलते हैं उसको, पूरा एक ढाबा सेटअप था. या सो ऑन दैट ढाबा आई शॉट. मैंने पानी की टंकी के ऊपर चढ़ के शूट किया है, मैंने टायर के ऊपर शूट किया है. आई डोंट नो मैंने क्या किया है, बट आई हैव टू वॉच द सॉन्ग माई सेल्फ टू वॉच इट, एंड आई रिक्वेस्ट एवरीबडी टू वॉच इट बिकॉज इट्स गोना बी अ वेरी ट्रिपी सॉन्ग.